Samriddhi Sharma from class 7, standing before you alongside my vibrant group. Elated to welcome you all to today's enlightening morning assembly. Our today's theme of morning assembly is World Environment Day. Prayer give us hope and strength. Let's unite our voices singing our school prayer. Please everyone hold your hands for prayer. I like to live the world and furnish it with love. Through apple trees and honey bees and snow white turtles. I like to be the one to sing in perfect harmony, harmony. I like to hold it in my arms and keep it company. I like to see the world go on, all standing hand in hand. And here that we go through the disco, peace throughout the land. Let the song I hear, let the world sing today. Let the song I hear, let the world sing today. Let the song I hear, let the song I hear, let the song I hear. World Environment Day is a global platform for inspiring positive change. People from more than 150 countries participate in United Nations International Day. We celebrated environment action and power of governments, businesses, and individuals to create a more sustainable world. To ignite the flame of inspiring this morning assembly, I'd like to invite Dristi to share the thought of the day.
Good morning to all. Thought of the day is let's nature the nature so we can have a better future. I repeat my thought that let's nature the nature so we can have a better future. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now it's time to add a new word in our vocabulary, so I would like to call Tanvi for word of the day. Good morning, everyone. Today's word is sustainability, meaning the practice of using resources in a way which meets current needs without diminishing them for future generations. Sentence: most trust donations support environmental and sustainability efforts. Thank you. It's essential to understand the world beyond our textbook. So, to bring the gap between our classrooms and global happenings, I would like to call Navya, who will bring the latest news headlines.
Good morning, everyone. Today's national headlines are India voices great concern over situation in conflict. Forest Service officer suspended in Tripura over Akbar and Sita naming row. Now some international news. Israel not complying with UN code under to lit enough as in Gara. Now some sports news. India versus England team India series win. Thank you and have a nice day.
As we know, our today's morning assembly theme is Environment Day, so I would like to call my friends to give a small note on importance of environment by a mime skit.